Hi friends, good morning, happy Monday, happy Halloween. Meaning it is the week of Halloween. I feel like that was self-explanatory, but just in case. But hi, hello. Last night, it's Monday, and I've been trying to like wash my hair every Sunday night, and then Monday I curl it, and that's just pretty much been it for the week. About like Thursday I have to touch it up obviously with dry shampoo, but for the most part my hair does pretty well. I feel like in pregnancy that's what I was doing, and it trained my hair to like last longer, which is great for mom life. But today was hair curling day, so that's why it looks extra polished. And I have on my clips from Anthropology. I can link them down below. I got them on sale a couple of weekends ago. The washer sounds like it's about to take off to the moon, so that's what's happening. I also hung my wreath and we got this. Things are looking up. But I thought I would vlog this week just because Halloween fun. We basically have a week to fit in everything that I've put off so far. So I'm gonna get my candy corn nails tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the pumpkin patch, carve pumpkins. We're hosting my family on Halloween, so we'll vlog that and the treats I make, and just I thought it'd be a fun week to vlog. Today we're having, well, I say our first, but I'm pretty sure it rained a lot when we first moved in. I was too miserable to remember anything. We're at least having our first cozy rainy day at home with Milo. So we're just hanging out. We might go out to lunch just to get out of the house for a minute, and I do want to go to Vaughn's to pick some stuff up. But we're just chilling today. I'm about to edit my Christmas Lush haul, which I can link up in the corner because it'll be up by the time this goes up. If I can, I want to like edit it and put it up today. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get to editing and I'll keep checking in on our cozy rainy day. We're gonna make soup later, watch movies, build a fire, so yeah. We're on our way to the pumpkin patch. Well, actually we're on our way to have lunch with my parents first, and then we're going to the pumpkin patch. We got obviously Mr. Milo back there.
Mr. Milo. I
got my candy corn nails on yesterday, which I meant to take a video of her doing them because I always find it fascinating, but I forgot. I did a IGTV on it last year, I think. That's on my Instagram. I think that was last year. So yeah, it's Milo's first time at the pumpkin patch. It's also his 3 month. It's the 27th.
Oh, you're right.
We have a 3-month-old, and I genuinely cannot believe it. Well, it does feel like it's been 3 months, but at the same time, it feels like we left that hospital like 2 weeks ago.
No, it doesn't.
No?
No.
Okay.
It feels comfortable now.
No, I feel comfortable. I just can't believe how like much he's grown and how much of the time, it just is wild. Time is a thief. Or
a what?
Yeah, time is a thief.
Time is an illusion.
Time is an illusion. That's what my best friend says because he's always late. Oh, baby feet. We also just got that mirror.
Now we can see him.
We ordered a mirror before, but it was a piece of crap. We couldn't see him, and then one day we like pushed on the brakes at a stoplight and it came flying off. It didn't hit him, but I was like, oh my God, obviously we're not keeping that. So we returned it. And my brother and sister-in-law also just had a baby, and they ordered this one. They loved it, so I ordered that. I'll link it down below if you if you need a thing. Oh, I gotta go. This guy, I feel uncomfortable. Is he looking?
Whatever.
I'm not very good at vlogging in public. But okay, see ya at the pumpkin patch. See you at the patch, everybody.
Wow.
Okay. we're vlogging. This is the pumpkin we're gonna try to put Milo in. My parents are also here. You wanna be on my YouTube vlog?
No.
Sure.
Hi, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you have a nice time at the pumpkin patch, Dad?
Whatever, man.
Okay. Happy Halloween, guys! I'm Winnie the Pooh, if you couldn't tell. Hopefully you could. To be completely honest, Mama dropped the ball on like a Halloween costume this year. And so about a week ago, I was like, hey, we could be Pooh characters, because Milo already had this outfit slash costume. So he has this little hat and he's wearing the body part of it right now. He's asleep right now. So I was like, hey, I have a red dress. I was like, I could find some Pooh ears, but then it dawned on me I have these like mustard mini ears, which will get the job done. Just put on a little black nose. Bradley is going to be Christopher Robin. He's currently at the store getting a red balloon and also picking up some In-N-Out because it's Halloween cheeseburger Sunday. And I'm currently trying to fashion some piglet ears for Ludo. So I found this like cutout felt thing on the internet, and I'm just going to glue them, they're like double-sided, around themselves on the thinnest headband I have, which is this crystal one. And then when we're done using it, I can just cut the piglet ears off and he'll have a little costume to be part of the family costume. So nothing like waiting till the last minute, but that's, you know, that's new mom life. My whole family is coming over later. I'm really excited. We ordered pizza. I'm going to make a bunch of Halloween treats, which I'll like document the process as I do it. I don't know if we'll stay in costume all the way until tonight. I mainly just want a photo, but I do want to take him to just to a couple of houses to trick or treat just for his first year, just to like our two favorite neighbors. But it is cold and I don't want him to be cold in his Tigger outfit, so I might change him into his skeleton onesie, and I kind of want to put on my Halloween dress and wear my pumpkin crown. So I don't know if we'll stay in costume all day, but for now we're having fun. So yeah, when Bradley gets back, we're gonna take our family photo because he does have to go coach a couple hockey games. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna get the house ready and all the treats ready, and then everybody's coming over around 4:30. So it's gonna be a fun day. Okay, so final food, we have the cuties, pumpkins, some cookies, onion dip chips, all the dogs are here, and then we have some bell peppers and celery and whatnot to dip in. My sister's bringing ranch as well. My mom made her artichoke dip. We're gonna put that in the oven. Oh, look, Ludo's dressed as a pumpkin. Happy Halloween, everybody. We have both babies over here. My son and my niece. Does anybody have anything to say to the vlog? We'll go to Matt.
I do. Happy Halloween.
Thanks, Mom.